Coming from the rear, even dykes wanna get it. Screaming I'm the man every night when I hit it.
Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. In this episode, we're gonna lower the car and bigger the wheels, make it look fucking good, and let's get it started. First, we make our copy from our layer. I made this already because I clean up the car a little bit. If you see it, yeah. Now, the next thing we want to do is make our wheels bigger. So, we zoom in to our wheel, take the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, and zoom in a little bit more and go around the wheel just like that. Very easy and fast. Don't have to be pretty. Go around. If you did that, press Ctrl and J and Ctrl T and zoom out a little bit. Now, if you hit Shift, you can drag the wheel bigger, very easy, and place it where it belongs. I think this is not really bad. Then hit Enter and do the same with the rear wheel. Zoom in a little bit, take the lasso tool and hit layer 1 because we want to cut it out from this one and not from this one, if you know what I mean. So now, let's take this one, go around very fast and not really pretty, but it doesn't matter. Then Control J, Control T, zoom out and zoom out a little bit more. Hit Shift and drag it bigger. Very easy. Place it where it belongs. And oops, this is too big. Yep. This looks good, I think. So hit Enter and I think it looks nice. So click on them, hit Ctrl and E, merge those together, and now we want to lower the car. For this one, we take also the lasso tool, but click on layer 1, search a place here at the start from the car, the front side, where you can lower the picture and nobody and nothing gets destroyed, if you know what I mean. Not over a line or a 9 or a house or something else. Try to get a free area, free space to start with the mark. So zoom in a little bit and we want to start here, go into the car and go around. I don't make it really pretty, but for a tutorial it's enough. For oops, you know what I mean. Go just here around. Don't has to be very pretty for this tutorial. If you do this at home, take your time and easily make this beautiful and nobody will notice that it's fake. You can fake your profile or something else with your car and everybody will think, oh my god, what did he does? Yeah, go in here and don't forget, don't mark the wheels, just go around it. So now go a little quicker here, just like that. Go up the other wheel, go a little bit quicker here. Something, oops, it's very bad, very ugly, but doesn't matter. Go here, something like here, and now zoom out and search, like in the front, a place where you can lower the picture crush it together, we want to say, without anybody will notice. So I think, zoom out a little bit more, I take this one, this line, so zoom in a little bit, go up with the car like this, and now go out here and a little bit higher, and I think this is a good position. Zoom out the picture and click outside, go around it, just outside the picture, around, and close the mark. Zoom out, and you see what we've done is the whole upper side of the picture we cut out, and now we can lower it with this one. This is the move tool. Take it and click it and drag it lower. I think this looks good. Something like that. Yeah, great. You can also hit Control and T to rotate it a little bit, like this or like this, if you know what I mean. Something like a lowrider, but don't want that, so take it back. I think this looks good. Hit the enter button and the enter one more time. Sorry, Control and D to demark. Oops. And you see, we lower the car. Very easy. And if you look here, nothing changed. If you look here, a little bit changed, but nobody ever will notice it. You know what I'm saying? But everybody will look at his picture and say, oh my god, what is this cool car coming from? Yeah. And this is not really perfect. If you leave your time, you can make it great. You can make it look very, very great. And yeah, if you like it, if you learned something, click on the thumbs up or leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Sorry for my bad English today, but I don't know. See you next time. Bye bye.